that today too kind from the motherless feet, but my hand draws me from by the hand of the Almighty. We born in this generation, crying heavenly. Would you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption song, redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. No more by ourselves can free our mind. Whoa, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop in the time. How long shall they keep war of prophets? War is stand aside and look. Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Would you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption song, redemption song.